Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. As always, in the morning I'm running my Alpha 1 Trader. It's a free binary option robot that you also can have completely for free. Just push this download button you see up here, and at any time in the video you can just push this circle up here and you get a menu and you can download the robot directly. And also, of course, you find link below the video. And also make sure you subscribe to the channel, right? I give for free here now. So I will run the robot now for 10 minutes. If there are open trades, as always, we will finalize the trades and then will be a little more than 10 minutes. But if not, we will close it around 10 minutes. So let's start up the robot and see how we do today. just like that, we did run the robot now for almost 10 minutes and we made $45. Let's take a look at the trades that was taken. So if we then go to close the trades, we can see the trades that was open today. We can go down. It's the ones you see here. So you see we had some more activity on the main robot today. So the main robot used $10 and the garbage robot used $1. So as you can see, the first trade taken for $10 was a winner. First for the garbage robot, the RSI, got a winner, winner, winner. Then we got the first losing with the main robot. We got 2 losers in a row, and we did make it again back here. Then the RSI robot started to make things interesting. He got 1 loser, 2 loser, 3 losers in a row, and we got a win. So, but by the way, we got maximum. Let me see now. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 losers in a row. It's not too bad. It's acceptable. But yes, so all in all, this short session was good. Many ask, oh, you have this balance, you're making only $45. I only run for like 8, 9, 10 minutes. It's to make it interesting for you to look. And it's not about how much I'm making, it's for you to see how the robot is working, so you can imagine it running it yourself. And I basically give it for free. You can just push the download button and you get the robot today. So that's it for that. So with that, have a perfect day.